Hello everyone, today we have another video brought to you by Dani's Electrical Services, and today we have a 20 volt Dewalt impact driver. This is the 1/4 inch impact driver, right? And we're going to do something that is better than a review, and that is an in-action video, because that's the only way to see the true potential of a tool, by putting it in action. So what we'll be doing today is we have some drywall screw, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inch, and we have a 3 inch, right? And we are going to be driving these screws into this board right here. It is not hollow, the board goes all the way back, so this should give a pretty good demonstration. Also, nice little feature here and the impact driver, that light that's let you see the dark spot, you know, that's good when working in dark spots. And it is variable, so you can slightly press on the trigger and you will get slight rotation, right? So let's get right into it. The first screw we will be driving is the 1 inch screw, and that was effortlessly. Now let's do the 1.5 inch screw. Okay, also effortlessly, and it is flush into the board. It went all the way in. If you don't want it to be that flush, I guess you can it is variable trigger, so I guess you can slightly press the trigger if you don't want it to go all the way in. So let's do the 2 inch. So we didn't want the 2 inch to go all the way in, so just slightly press the trigger. Alright, now we have a 3 inch, so let's see how well it does with the 3 inch. And it drives that one very good, very good. I think this is very powerful. It's actually doing a very good job. And now we are going to remove these screws and see how well it does that. We're just going to change, press this to change it, and now it will rotate in an anti-clockwise direction. So let's just remove the screws. First we are going to remove the 1 inch, and as you can see, it quickly removed that one. Let's do the 1.5 inch now. Again, it quickly removed that one. Now it's time for the 2 inch. Oh guys, look at this. We have a broken screw. Oh my god. I think we drive that one so far. We break the screw. Oh my god. This is the one that no, this is not the one that we were trying to get flush, but I guess this drill is so powerful it breaks the screw. So guys, we have to be careful when driving them. If you don't want your screw to break, I guess you can't go too fast with it, right? So let's see about the 3 inch now. And our 3 inch is out, so you can be the judge of this impact driver. What do you think about it? Do you think it is good, or do you think it is too powerful because it breaks that screw? Let me know guys, just leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about it. Also, I will be putting the link in the description to this impact driver. I got this one from Amazon. It also came with the bag and the charger for the battery. Okay, so that's it guys, and that was another video brought to you by Dani's Electrical Services. So guys, for more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel the nice electrical services. Thank you.